So hello friend, welcome back to my channel, my English journey. I hope you are doing well and learning English greatly. Friends, in this video, this is very amazing video because my one friends add on this journey, and today I am decide one thing that uh, we can say this is I am going to taking a challenge. That's why because I watch one video and I inspire from this video, and now I am taking challenge that uh, uh, after this time I use only and only English language during talk with my friends and talk with my teachers, everyone's. No matter who can stand in front of me, I don't care about this. But just I only use English language, and in this 24 hours I am analyzing very many things. That's we I just when I talk to people, I talk with very formal way. But now this journey, I I will see many things like informal communication with my friends and all thing my friends मतलब दोस्त के साथ मजाक जो करेंगे वो all thing are in English. So it is a very amazing challenge for me. So you can also take like this challenge, and you can improve English. So now meet my friends. His name is Manthan, and he also my course. He also come from BBA. And do you have a idea about how to build communication and confidence?
First of all, hello guys. Uh, Vikas is my friend and he takes a very good initiative to improve our English. Uh, Today he takes a challenge of 24 hour to improve our English. He told earlier he told me I'm going to take a challenge for improve my English. For anything he wants, just talk in English. Whether he talks with his friends or anybody in our university, he just want to improve his English. So many best of luck, Vikas bhai,
Thank you, bro.
for this journey.
Thank you.
And
And
and I also wants to improve my English. So I'm
this is
joined a part of his journey.
yeah.
So
So we are every person talk about how to build communication and confidence. Do you know in communication the most important thing is confidence?
yeah, that's
So
absolutely a very big thing. Earlier, I also told you, confidence is a very more powerful
important,
thing, a
yeah.
powerful technique.
And we are if people have a confidence, it is like a quote. If people have a confidence, they can do everything, right?
Yeah, of course.
So according to me, I already share with you in last video how to build confidence. And so in the communication, the most important is confidence. And I know whenever I try to speak in public, I literally know how I feel fairness that time. But after some days I have good confidence, and right now I can speak with people front of any person, and I can also speak on the stage and every place. And you know, many people are talking about तुम प्रैक्टिस करो, तुम
Do more
आंसर राइटिंग
practice.
करो और लिसनिंग करो, बट you know, in the communication it is the most important, but the problem is people are not implement in real life. So you suggest my audience how to implement in real life, and it is also important for everyone.
Of course, because bhai, uh, every stage are important. For example, listening. Listening is also a most important part of our getting confidence, because when we listen anything, we get that thing, what actually happening there,
Right.
and it's a stage of making confidence and communication, building communication, listening. The very first stage is a listening, and another thing is after the listening, we have to write anything. Listening, writing, and the third stage is a reading, and
Right.
the last and not least, that's a very important part of our communication is speaking,
Yeah.
speaking to any person.
It
Speak
means people follow the speaking, reading, listening, and writing.
but
That I am not saying
earlier
in
three
sequence.
earlier three stage is important,
Uh,
but last one is a very important.
Very important.
Without this you can't speak
It
to
means,
anyone.
according to you, first one is
Listening.
listening, and then writing,
And then writing,
and then
reading,
reading, and then most
speaking.
important, speaking. It means he mean if you speak anything in English, no matter I know in a starting time you have making many mistake. I also making many mistake in this video. You don't know, but uh, whenever you start, just you think this is tree, this is grass, this is road, and
Here,
people
here.
are walking on the road. Just like use like this sentence and improve your communication, friends. If you want
The
improve
bird is
your,
flying in the sky.
yeah, that's right. If you also want improve your communication skills, you can improve in within 30 days. It means we can say 4 weeks. In first week you can listen and create a good environment totally in English surrounding you. It means just like I, I am as a beginner, I come in this ground and speak to myself. It means I create English environment surrounding me,
That's
right?
absolutely right.
Yeah.
That's absolutely
And
right.
in
Bro.
this, thank you. In this stage, it means a starting time. We You go in the ground and talk with yourself, and just like say using like this sentence I already say, this is tree, this is here are flying birds, and this is
Firstly, we have to
road.
feel the English.
Yeah.
When we feel English, we speak English.
Yes. And
When we speak English, I
create
get confidence.
after create good environment that is totally in English, then you focus on listening. Listening means bole to you focus on focus on watching broadcast that is in English, movie, and song. You can listen watching that video in English, and one person, anyone can
Additional, bro, I also wants to join,
okay.
include in our video.
Okay.
If you want to improve your English, you can also take any course like a Excel course, which is also in a very simple English language. You when you use that Excel course, mini Excel course, you can improve your skill and also improve your communication skill.
Yeah.
That's a very good opportunity to us.
Yeah. It means you can improve your both skills. It means communication skills and also your Excel.
any
It,
any type of technical skill you
yeah,
can gain, and also including your
yeah, real life.
interpersonal skill.
Oh, right. And third one is reading. And you say how to read English content. Uh,
Yeah.
Suggest them.
Yeah, according to me, uh, when we are talking about reading, firstly we have to know what content we have to read. We should read a newspaper, any kind of news, English news, simple English newspaper. You can take the Hindus, that's a very prestigious newspaper. You can also take uh, the Times of India.
Right, right.
In newspaper, you in they have used very simple English word which is generally used in our daily life. That's why we I am recommending newspaper, because when we read newspaper we get some word, we build a vocabulary section, we build our vocabulary.
Vocabulary, right.
That's very important in our communication,
Yeah.
because whenever we have how much vocabulary, मतलब अपने पास जितना ज़्यादा vocabulary section होगा, जितना बड़ा vocabulary का portion होगा, हमारा इंग्लिश उतना ही बेहतर होगा.
And
So we
मजबूत होगा,
have
right.
to build our vocabulary section.
Through the news, reading newspaper.
Yeah.
And in the newspaper, which is you don't
If
know
you
what.
think
So-
when I fully know the grammar portion, after that I am going to speak, you never speak in English. If
right.
you want to speak English, firstly listen the very four steps in very simple four steps: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You have you can use this four step, and easily you can crack the English communication. You can talk to anyone.
Right.
First-
And during the speaking, it means practice. You can before speaking, you can think in English, and because whenever we think in our mind, that is comes in our subconscious mind. I conscious mind and subconscious mind. Conscious mind is active naturally, and they can answer give naturally. And I speak right now, my subconscious mind is working. So before you starting your speaking, you just think some lines, some sentences, and then you start, right?
Yeah, right.
So in this video, we are conclude on the all points. You focus if you want to improve your communication. You first create a good environment surrounding you, and listen and watching broadcast and any video in English. Then you come on the reading. Reading means you can read newspaper, book, which is use easily word in that book, because in a starting time you don't read a hard word, and after that you feel very hesitate, and you are demotivated, right?
Don't guys, don't think we have to read a specific book, a specific uh, article.
Yeah.
Firstly, think what we have to read. Whenever you are in a college or a school, you already guys, you already in a school or a college. If you are in a college or a school, you already have to read a reading book. You can also read that book. That's also a good uh, content.
And now move on the writing.
If,
Writing means
one more thing.
Okay.
We have not only students.
just focus on the
Yeah.
video.
We have also a working professional person. Those English are not good. they can use a newspaper. That's because reading newspaper is a very good habit. It's also aware the things what is going on our country and what is going on our surrounding.
Yeah,
That's a
right.
very good thing.
And then you focus on speaking and practice. So I am going to close this video.